A judge has ordered pro-Palestinian activist Mahmoud Khalil be released on bail. The 30-year-old lawful permanent resident was being held in a facility in rural Louisiana. Khalil played a prominent role in last year's Columbia University protests against the Israel-Hamas war. He was arrested in March by immigration agents. He has not been charged with a crime and does not have a criminal record. Let's bring in NBC News senior Homeland Security correspondent Julia Ainsley with the latest. So, Julia, how did the judge come to this decision and what comes next for Khalil?
Well, we could hear the thinking from this judge over this telephonic conference today. And what we heard time and time again was that there was no record that Khalil would be a flight risk and that releasing him would pose no risk to U.S. national security. Now, the Trump administration lawyers argued against that, saying that it was because he had violated terms of his visa by possibly working and not disclosing the work, that should be a reason to detain him. That apparently did not come to the judge's mind when deciding to release him. Also at the heart of this, though, and this could determine what happens next in his future, is that the Trump administration argued that the judge in this case in New Jersey, a federal judge, did not have the jurisdiction to make this decision, that instead it should be made by an immigration judge. The judge said, no, that's not true. I do have this jurisdiction, and there's no reason why an immigration judge needs to weigh in at all. But what that could mean is that the Trump administration will now move for an immigration judge, which is done through a completely different system, to then order that he be detained again. But for now, this federal judge says that he should be released from that detention center in Louisiana.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.